ஸோ என் ப்ராடக்ட் வந்து நான் ஆக்சுவலா சேஞ்ச் பண்ணல. ஃபுல்லா சேஞ்ச் பண்ணல. லைக் வந்து லாஸ்ட் டைம் வந்து வாட்டர் மெலன் ஐஸ்கிரீம் சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தேன். பட் வாட்டர் மெலன் ஐஸ்கிரீம் வந்து லைக் ஒரே ஒரு கம்பெனில மட்டும் அருணோட பிராண்ட்ல மட்டும் ஒண்ணு இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்க. பட் அருண்ல இருக்கிறது வந்து லைக் வந்து மில்க் பேஸ்ட். ஸோ நான் அந்த கன்ஃபியூஷனா இருக்க வேணாம் சொல்லிட்டு லைக் நான் இன்கிரீடியன்ஸே சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிட்டேன். ஸோ இந்த ப்ராடக்ட்ல இருக்கிறது வந்து லைக் வாட்டர் மெலான், மின்ட் அண்ட் லெமன். ஸோ இது மூணுத்தோட லைக் இது மூணும் சேர்ந்தது தான் இந்த ஐஸ்கிரீம். ஸோ இந்த ஐஸ்கிரீம் வந்து மார்க்கெட்ல டோட்டலா இந்த மார்க்கெட்ல சுத்தமா இந்த ஐஸ்கிரீம் இல்ல. இந்த ஃபிளேவர்ல சுத்தமா ஐஸ்கிரீமே இல்ல. ஸோ மத்ததெல்லாம் சேம் தான். லைக் வந்து ஸோ லைக் அதான் லாஸ்ட் டைம் சொன்ன மாரி குவாலிட்டி ஆஃப் த ப்ராடக்ட் குவான்டிட்டியும் அதிகமா இருக்கும். பட் அட் லோ காஸ்ட் லைக் ₹10 to ₹20 மேக்ஸிமம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் மை ப்ராடக்ட். எனி டவுட்ஸ்?
Is there any particular reason you chose watermelon and mint, the combination?
இல்ல நான் ஆக்சுவலா வந்து அது ஜூஸா வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் அந்த ஃபிளேவர். ஸோ ஐஸ்கிரீமா இருந்தா லைக் ஒரு மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் டிஃப்ரெண்டா இருக்கும். லைக் நிறைய பேர் வாங்குவாங்க அப்படின்ற ஒரு இன்டென்ஷன். அப்ப கூகுள்லயே சர்ச் பண்ணா லைக் இந்த இந்த மாதிரி ஃபிளேவர்ஸ் வந்து லைக் நார்மலா கூட கிடைக்க மாட்டேங்குது. லைக் வந்து இப்போ லைக் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இந்த ஐபேக்கோ அந்த மாதிரி லைக் ஐஸ்கிரீம் பார்லர்ஸ்ல கூட கிடைக்க மாட்டேங்குது. ஸோ நான் வந்து எப்படி வந்து இதை வந்து விற்க போறேன்னா லைக் வந்து இன் பேக்கெட்ஸ் அந்த மாதிரி.
Okay, we'll move. Okay, anyone else has any questions? Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Yeah.
So this is my product. It's basically a magnetic automatic car cleaner. So the product like this it hasn't come on the market yet. It is like it's got adjustable magnetic bristles which helps it to stand on the vehicle, and you can just like put it and switch it on so that it starts cleaning the car. You needn't have to put the effort of wiping and putting soap and washing and everything. Also, this can't be compared to car washes because those are huge. It cleans like the whole car. This is just a temporary one which at home you can do. When any dust or anything, you can just clean it off. Water and soap can be filled in that the where the arrow is pointed at, and it's available in different sizes. And yeah, thank you. That's it. You'll have any doubts, you can ask me.
Yeah, I have a doubt. I think over here you mentioned battery charge, and over here you mentioned removable battery. So which one, like, does this have?
Yeah, you can actually remove the battery, charge it. I don't know what do you call that, but yeah, it is that.
So it is not for the tire, right? It is only for the...
No, it's not for the tire. It's only for the body of the vehicle.
Okay.
How will this like cleaner stop? Does it have like any sensor? It will know when to stop.
Yeah, so basically you put it on the windshield. It cleans like the whole windshield. Then you take it and place it on top or wherever. So wherever there's a something that's stopping it, it stops.
Okay, we'll move on to the next person.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is my product. It's called Supercharge Bats. These are basically like the sensors in table tennis bats. You get the product with the table tennis bat itself. The reason I chose this is because instead of keeping a sensor in a table tennis bat, I think if you integrate both together, I think they'll work best. And you can also get that balance. Like few people want lighter table tennis bats, few people want heavier bats. So you'll get the combination more exactly. And the sensor also can be fit more precisely. Yeah, the sensor is a lightweight one. It's not going to increase the weight of your bat. It calculates speed, distance, and angle. It has Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, which is quick, and also the syncing is fast. Bats are available in three colors: red, black, and blue. Um yeah, you have an app also, which is the SCB app, Supercharge Bats app. You get data such as what is the direction of the shot you hit, backhand or forehand, the reaction time, how quick you are, ball to bat accuracy, and much more things. Yeah, you can view this later, and it will be like a practice for you. Any questions?
I just have this one question.
Yeah,
This bat, you actually use it for playing, and it's gonna be handled in a harsh way. So
yeah,
won't that chip inside, move, or something happen?
yeah. That's the thing. So you basically meet the ball only in this pad. I am integrating the sensor in the handle. So, and the handle is wood, whereas, yeah, it's thicker wood than compared to the bat. So when I keep it over here, it's only your palm which is holding the handle, and it's not going to create much impact, so it won't break. Very, very less chances of breaking.
Okay.
Any other questions?
Can you please explain me again the whole purpose of the bat? Like just the purpose of the bat. Like how
Okay,
is
so
it different from the regular bats like which we use?
yeah, the target audience is basically people who play table tennis and professional TT players. So those target audiences, they can improve from the statistics which they receive from the app. They'll know if their reaction time is slower or faster, and if they have to have a particular ball to bat accuracy, they can see from the app and learn. It's basically uh, um, like it basically it gives you an analysis of how you play and where you can possibly improve on, and the speed, and you can go much faster if you want to compete in professional tournaments. So it will give you an analysis for that.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Anya.
So my product is basically a application. It's an app which is it is a dating app for HIV patients. So the name of the app is HIV We. So actually, for those who don't know what HIV is, it's human immunodeficiency syndrome. It's a virus where when the virus attacks you, it directly attacks the white blood cells of a person, and so the CD4 counts goes down, and the CD4 count is very important in one's body. It is the cell which decides what to do, like if there's a virus attacking, which cell should perform what work. So that is very important. So for dating for HIV people gets very difficult in a country like ours, like not in a country like ours but all over the world, because no one wants to transfer the virus to some other person, and the chances of dying are higher. So that's why it's a dating app where you can enter your details and your clinical history such as CD4 counts, and if the CD4 count goes below 300 you are put on pills. So you can mention all your details above, and then Then the doctors, the professional doctors who are like, they are doctors who are HIV specialists also. So they'll find out your they'll match your this thing reports, and then they'll find your perfect match, and then you can like, it's like a just then it's just a regular dating app, such as you can chat, you can video call, etc., etc., and that's all. Then it's their decision. Yeah. Any more questions?
Sanya, thing is like very good, but then just this one thing, like, in a country like India, where people, they their mindset on this normal dating apps itself is like very bad. And do you think this app would, reach your audience much like you wanted?
Actually, what my idea is like, estimate like people in their 20s and 30s, they have the highest level of risk of getting this virus called HIV. So I feel that like, when everyone deserves to be loved and they want love, they seek love from others. So I think that might be an issue in a country like us sometimes, but at the end of the day, it's just like, there are people, they'll have different type of opinions. So there are some people who might want love, and they might want to give it a try. So yeah, that's all. Because there's no other way of finding love for HIV people. Like, they can only convey their emotions directly, and then that's all. So they can find people on this platform, they can find people who are like similar to them in such ways, and then they can go for it.
Sanya, I have a question. So, how will you like connect people? Will it be like based on location, or like any, or is it that which you say CD4 counts, right? Will
Yeah,
that
yeah,
be a
yeah.
priority, or like the location of where they are?
No, no. This app mainly concentrates on the clinical history of a person, not the like location or anything like that. So the clinical history is very important, because their life is at risk. So that's why the main concentration is on the CD4 counts and the clinical history of a person, and according to that, they'll make a match.
Okay.
Any more questions?
I think that's it. Yeah. Akshay.
Yeah, hi people. My product is foldo plates. It's like a normal plate only and can be foldable, and we can take anywhere. This is the normal plate which we use in homes, like the steel plates, stainless steel plates, and it's easily foldable, and it's a basic eating plates. The target audience of this plate is mainly the tourist peoples and the office staffs, and also like students and etc. This size is normally for us like normal plates, like the 13 centimeter and more than that, and it can be folded into 3 centimeter, where 10 centimeter can be reduced. This plate is weight is just 300 grams, and that's it. It's available in every stores, and it's very less expensive. If once it's not breakable, easily breakable, and it can also be stored in a small bag, like something extra. Any questions?
What will be
Akshay,
like the
this
rough
plate,
cost of the plate?
Like 50 rupees to 60 rupees by
Isn't it
its size.
expensive?
Is this no? The rate is being fixed upon the size.
Akshay, you said this is stainless steel and it's
Yeah.
foldable and everything. But then,
Yeah.
when it's stainless steel and it's foldable, when you put curry and everything, won't it like, how, what's the gap in between in the folds?
No, it's been made like that, where the food cannot be spilled out. Right. You can see the sketch down I have been given, like it is made up of two types, like square and round circle shape. While in square, there is no gap, can be easily foldable, so wastage food cannot be spilled out. Next question.
Also, it is steel. It is made up of steel and it is reusable, right? So every time you use it, you have to wash it
Yeah,
again.
yeah,
So
yeah,
what
yeah.
if, or
It's
else
like
you can't keep it
normal
in your,
plate.
yeah, so you can't
Yeah,
keep it in a bag unless and until you wash it, or you can't carry it. Like
yeah,
it will
yeah,
be
yeah.
hectic. So
Yeah, actually, normal office staff and students have uh, they will wash plates, or they have to wash the utensils which they take to office, like that. It's normal plate that they wash and keep inside.
no, but while traveling, what if there's no water or there's no place to wash the plate? So what? So
The
I'd
people
rather
will
use
have,
a paper plate than which I can throw it
yeah,
away.
yeah, you can throw it away. Then it makes like throwing a wastage in our. So I made this plate. The people who's going for tourists, they will be having some bag of keeping all this utensils, empty utensils in that they will keep, and they will come to home and they will clean it.
Apart from the folding feature your plate has, is there any particular reason tourists and traveling people should prefer your plate over thermocol or like reusable plate?
Yeah, bro, it's how to say, it's one time usable now, right? If you buy one time, you can use for many times now. Like paper plate or this thermocol plates, or you should buy once and once again when it's over. If you buy this 10 plates, you can have for many times.